Hi everyone, today I'm going to do unboxing of this mechanical pencil I have just received. It's a mechanical pencil with metal brass body, and it's 0.5 flat, and this is UK based brand, and let's see how it will work. So finally, this is really nice pencil. The main feature of this pencil is I think its weight, and the weight is really heavy. For me, it's really nice to have this kind of weight to draw with. It's not too much heavy, it's not too much light, and it give me good control over my lines as well. So I'm happy to have this in my collection, and hope you like it, and see you in the next video. Thank you.